Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. Now there's no reason your old plain binder should stay that way. Fortunately, Siser has a solution for you. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how Siser EasyPSV Holographic Pearl can turn this clear binder into a mesmerizing accessory. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Okay, let's get started. As an essential accessory to hold your most important school or professional documents, binders tend to be rather plain by default. Using a clear binder is a little different, but what if you could completely transform the cover with an eye-catching design? Siser's EasyPSV adhesive vinyl is now available in 6 different holographic pearl colors. This dynamic material changes colors depending on lighting, what angle you're viewing it at, and even what's behind it. To demonstrate the potential of what you can do with EasyPSV Holographic Pearl, we'll be applying a broken up multicolored design cut with a few different holographic pearl shades. Once you've cut your EasyPSV layers and weeded them out, simply lift each one with EasyPSV application tape. Trim out slices the size of your layers using a sheet or roll of application tape. Then peel their carrier sheets off as you carefully place each one onto a cut layer. To help keep your design aligned when putting it together, you can refer to the tape's grid lines. But once the tape has been attached to a layer, squeegee it a few times, then flip it over to remove the layer's backing by the corner. Repeat these same steps for any remaining layers. Now that all your layers have been taped out, simply apply each of them one by one onto the front or back of your binder. Start by aligning and placing the widest layer onto the item, then squeegee it and smoothly peel the tape up by a corner. Continue applying each layer with these steps. Then you've now turned a clear binder into a unique stained glass style accessory thanks to Siser EasyPSV Holographic Pearl. If you'd like to share your decked out holographic binders with us, as well as a large community of customization enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. To learn more about EasyPSV adhesive vinyl and other materials, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with the My Expert representative at heat.press/support. Well, once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.